Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright. Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got one that came in a box from Exotic Nudes. Go to exoticnudes.com, use the coupon code RamenRaider15 for 15% off your order. Not too shabby. So, this is kind of a weird one because, is it green? I think it's green. I'm gonna say it's green. Let me look on here. That looks green to me. Huh. Well, this says it's Oriental flavor. I've also seen that this is being called Shio. This is Myojo Chukazanmai. Japanese style noodles with soup base. Fancy. It's more of your premium styly. If I have reviewed that one, it's been like almost 10 years. So, comes with a powder. Comes with a liquid. Comes with noodle. Dropping it in for the 4 minutes. So, what's going on? Oh, man. So, what are they called? Lysol. And a bleach. The makers of Lysol and a popular bleach. I'm guessing Clorox? I don't know. And then, I don't know, anyways. Yeah, they had to put out a statement saying, don't eat Lysol and don't eat bleach to try to make sure you don't get coronavirus. And I agree with them. That's not going to help you. I'm sure that's not a fun way to die either. So don't freaking do that. Don't believe that guy. Or don't take advice from him. I mean, and I'll be honest though, I mean, I'm freaking crazy ass liberal, right? But he didn't exactly say, he was just like, go look into it, blah, 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 blah. You know, just kind of like, really? Are you kidding me? But I mean, he wasn't saying go and eat Lysol, go and eat bleach, disinfect yourself, you know, inhale it or anything. He didn't say that. But everybody's all, But on the other hand, with the hydroxychloroquine, somebody did take a bunch of that and they died, so yeah. I guess the guy just needs to kind of think about what he says before he says it, but at this point I don't think that's gonna happen. But anyways, yeah, speaking of, there was a guy who I was talking about yesterday, and he kept going. He commented on one of my really old top 10 lists, and he was going, because I was wearing an impeach Trump shirt in the video, and he took great offense to that, even though he says he wasn't offended. But why are you going to go on post after post? And they were like this long. Basically, he said he couldn't watch. He watched the video for 30 seconds, and he couldn't watch anymore because it said "impeach Trump" on my shirt. And then he said he was from Australia and he didn't care about politics and he was a centrist. But he found it very distasteful that he went there to watch a video about noodles, and then I was wearing an impeach Trump shirt. It literally, I mean, he wrote like a freaking novel's worth of comments about it, and every once in a while I get one of these wackos that are like all about doing that. It's like, it's gonna be okay, you're gonna be fine, you don't like my video, don't watch it. That's all I got to say about it. But anyways, And if I mean, I can't wear that shirt anymore anyways. That was in 2018. I've lost 150 pounds. Yeah, the neck on that thing the last time I tried to put it on came like down to here. I mean, it was freaking huge. So I donated it to a thrift store. Some big dude somewhere is going, yeah, I'm wearing a peach trunk. Yeah, I got Monopoly tickets. Bad. Got out, did some walking this morning. Didn't rain this morning. Looks like it's threatening it now. And we're trying to figure out something to do this weekend with the kids. I mean, all the restaurants are closed, although that's not like always a great option because they're really picky eaters. Can't go to the movies. Can't take them to a playground because those are all closed, of course. 50 cents off Raisin Bran, huh? It's the best you got for me, Safeway. Raisin Brans. Okay, noodles are done. And so now we augment the noodles with the first the powder. I was thinking, we live in Washington, why don't we just start driving east? And we might get up to the pass and there might be snow up there. I don't know if they've opened Highway 20 yet. I mean, it's April, there's a good chance they have, but either way, we will see snow. And I was thinking, hey, that might work. Children, snow, cold. Yeah. So that's a possibility. Get a bunch of nice let's just go all over this shirt. No? Good. Could get a bunch of nice footage to do some more outros for the show because you're probably like, dude, you were like all freaking hot and heavy about making intros and outros for your show here, and now there's nothing new in how long? What gives? So I actually do have some footage that I could do some more with. Might have to do that. You know, I think maybe we need a special guest. It is a Friday currently. Oh, I wonder what video this is. This could be Noodle is lovely. And for the broth. Broth? That spoon wasn't completely clean. There we go. I like that. All right. That is some tasty stuff. All right. Let's get somebody on the phone. I'm thinking Stumpy from, what do you call that place? Little Rock. See what happens. Time for a little Stumpy time. No Stumpy? No? Do we have some Stumpy?
Yeah.
Ah, there we go, Stumpy.
Yeah.
You're on live on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. How you doing today?
I am well. How are you?
Oh, just made some noodles. We're about to garnish them for our special audience of preferred people. So tell us all about your doings and conspirings today, sir.
Oh, just laying low at home. There's the virus bouncing around.
Oh,
Boing, boing, boing.
virus. A computer
Yeah.
virus?
No, it's the lethal people virus.
Ah. Yeah, I didn't know about that.
Oh,
I'm in
yeah, it's the thing. It's the
my
thing right now.
mountain hideaway. What are you doing? What's that? All that noise?
Oh, people verbalizing loudly around me.
Oh, it sounds like you're doing something there.
Yeah, yeah.
So you were mentioning somebody called you names yesterday.
Yeah.
What's? Please elaborate.
Oh, well,
Did you anger someone, sir?
apparently I incensed someone, yeah.
Ooh.
That's the word.
Patchouli?
What's that?
Was it patchouli?
No, no. No. I had mentioned something about, oh,
Religion?
I know
Politics?
No, no, no. It was kind of a terrorizing statement of sorts. I suppose it was threatening.
You threatened somebody and they didn't like that.
I have done that, but
Yesterday or just in general?
Yesterday I did actually.
Yesterday, I threatened people and they got mad at me.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, then what happened?
Oh, I basically kind of deleted that thread because it was just
Ooh.
Not
Juicy,
required.
ladies and gentlemen. Something juicy from
not
Stumpy.
required.
Well,
Yeah.
nobody will know who you are, Stumpy, so you can dish on it.
Oh, it was kind of not political, but more scientific. I'm kind of a science person.
Yeah, tell everybody what you've been doing professionally as of late.
Oh, professionally, I've been doing research into infectious disease.
So it's kind of like, you mean for your university stuffings?
Yes.
For the school?
I am a scientist, and I am looking to go towards the chemistry and biology angle, and that's biochem if you mix those together.
True.
It's a fascinating subject, dealing with all sorts of complicated things.
So what exactly incensed people? Were they telling you that you should start snorting Clorox and spraying Lysol all over their eyes?
No,
Because that's
but,
kind of a popular new meme lately. I've heard that our great leader is really interested in us doing that, but I don't know if that's really the case, but you know what I mean.
Yeah. Well, it had something to do with trends. Every winter, there's the flu that goes around.
Sure.
And currently this year we have something a little more serious.
Sure.
People aren't really taking it too well in their lungs when they get this little bug.
It's no joke,
Virus.
Stumpy. It's no joke.
Yeah. So there was some sort of little meme that was put out there. That was pretty witty and dealing with this little virus. And I guess people are scared of it. But
Yeah, they are.
I had stated something about maybe next winter, due to a CDC report, many millions more will be killed based on the infectious trend. And apparently the reply to that by this young person, I believe it was a young person, a young woman, was what the hell, fucktard. And it had me sort of thinking.
You dropped, well, I guess that is considered light profanity. But you dropped the light profanity on my YouTube channel, so you owe me $40, cash check charge. No, it's all good. It's all good.
It's the censors. I'm being censored.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Well, you know, it's good for everybody because it just basically means that they're not going to run a bunch of ads on my video. Because you have to censor it yourself. Anyway.
Well, it's a direct quote. It's not something that.
Is it from a reputable source?
Somebody in the state of Washington who likes to combine words together that are offensive, I suppose.
Well, hold on, Stumpy. I gotta let this bowl of noodles rotate, and then I'll get back with you. All right?
I am here present while you're rotating.
Okay. All right, here we go. It's time for Rotato to make it happen. And, yeah, we'll get back with Stumpy in a few. All right, well, that was Myojo Chukazanmai Oriental style, Japanese style, yeah. Hey, Stumpy, are you going to be able to hang out for another episode?
Absolutely.
All right, so he will be on tomorrow's episode, so hang loose until then, everybody in Happy Land. And remember, chew, chew, chew your food. Doesn't it taste better that way? Have a good one. Bye.
The Mayonnaise Tower was unearthed in 1908 by renowned paleontologist Turd Ferguson. Noted for its scent of cheese and a palace for the ancient mayonnaise kings, the tower has captured the minds and bowels of millions, most notably the chairman of the Antwerp charity Rambling Stokes Manevers.